Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob. All right, so we are JS Learning Academy. We've got a tuition center in Indola. If you want to do tuitions with us, you can get in touch with us on 0969175701. And to people outside Indola, we offer online tuitions. Okay, we offer online tuitions. Just get in touch with us. We will definitely be there to help you with tuitions online. All right, so this question is on bearings. Now, to be able to answer this question, we need to understand some few properties. So let me just show you a little bit of some properties that we need to understand. So you need to understand that when you've got when dealing with bearings, you need to know the north. So the line that is pointing upwards, 90 degrees, okay, upwards. If there is a line like this and it's pointing 90 degrees upwards, this is north, okay. And when you've got 2 points, let's say you've got here point C and point D here. For you to find the bearing, if they say find the bearing over C, or let me just say the bearing over D from C, of D from C, you go to where C is, because they have said from C. You go to where C is and make your north line. You see, north line like that, and then you make a line joining C and D like that. And then you go to the north and start moving like that up until you touch the line that is joining 2 points. And this is the bearing that we are looking for, okay? So this is what you need to know. And let's say here you've got something like this. The angle that is here, if this is north, the angle that is here will be equal to the angle that will be right here. And the angle here will be equal to the angle here, okay? If this is 30 degrees, this also will be 30 or 30 degrees. 30 degrees, okay? So that's it about this. If you want to find the bearing of C from D, you definitely go to from D, the letter that is ending. So from D is right here. Make your north and then start moving like that. Okay, so you move up until you touch the line that is joining the 2 points and find that bearing or the angle that is right here. In this case, we can use the property because we know that from here to here is 30. We know that from here to here it's 30 degrees. From here to here it's 180 degrees. Using property of a straight line, this will be 180 from here to here. So you just add 180 plus 30, this one, if you want to answer this, which will give us here, it's a 0, 1, 210 degrees. So meaning from here to here, it's a 210. Okay. So we need this idea here. Apart from this idea, the other idea that we need to know is the property of a triangle. We know that all the angles inside the triangle, when you add them, they add up to 180. You need to know that. And also the property of a circle. We know that angle that forms a circle is 360 degrees. So these are some of the things that we need to know in order for us to answer this question. So now let's answer B. This A, bearing of B from A. So from A, where is A? Is right here. So we come right here and make our north. So this is the north. Okay, so that's what you do from that point, make a north line. So once you make that north line, you start moving, okay, up until you touch the line that is joining B and A, or A and B. So from A, make your north, start from that north, start moving until you touch the line that is joining the 2 points. So this is the angle that we need. So what are we going to do here? Here, if you can see, we're dealing with uh, isosceles triangle because of these sides. So this side is equal to this side. So we can find the angle inside here and the angle right here. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to say 108 degrees, okay, minus 40 degrees, which will definitely give us 140 degrees. Because we know that this is 40. So for us to find this angle and this angle, we need to subtract from 108 and we remain with 140. So now this 140 divided by 2, because there are two angles. This and this is 140. So to find one of these, we divide by 2, which is giving us 70 degrees. So this is 70 degrees and this also is 70 degrees. So now we can now use the property here, this one. We said if you have 2 points, this point and this point, if this is your north and this is your north, meaning the angle which will be here is equal to the angle which is here. In this case, we are going to say the angle which is here will be equal to the angle which will be right here. You see, this is north and this is north. This is 30 and this is also 30 degrees. Okay, this is 30. Okay, so from here to here is 70. So we're going to say 70 minus 30, which will give us 40. So this one is 40 degrees. 40 degrees. So we've got 40 and 30 here. So since we have got 40 this side, we're going to use property of a straight line for us to find this angle. We shall say 180 degrees minus 40 degrees, which will give us 140 degrees. So that means this is 140 degrees. The answer here is 140 degrees. We've just used the property of a straight line here. From here to here, it's 180. Now we subtract the 40, which is from here to here. We'll remain with 140. And 140 is our solution. So we now go to question B. Question B, they want us to find bearing of O from B. So we go to from B. So how do we get that? B is right here. Remember, we make our north line. So this is north. And we start moving up until we touch the line that is joining the 2 points, O and B. Okay. So once we get that, we know that this is 40 degrees also. Why am I saying it's 40? Remember, this property for bearings is very important. Okay, this one. Okay, if this is 40 degrees, this also is 40 degrees, provided this is north and this is north. So if you can see here, we have got this line, which is this one, and this line, which is this one. So here we know that it's 40. Also here it will be 40, using this property. So we have got this 40 and this 40. We can just say 40 degrees plus 40 degrees, which will give us 80 degrees. So now, from here to here, it's 80 from here to here. So we can say 360 degrees minus 80 degrees. So the property I'm using now is a property of a circle. Okay? So here it's 360. It's a circle. Now from here to here, it's 40. From here to here, it's 40. I mean, it's 80. This 40 plus the 40, which is right here, it gave us 80. So we can subtract it from 360. So when we say 360 minus 80, we will definitely get a 280. So our solution here will be a 280. The answer for B is 280 degrees. Okay. So if you don't want to use this property, you can also use, you can also say property of a straight line is 180 degrees. So now 180 degrees minus 80, it will give us 100. So this is 80 minus what? So minus 180 minus 80 will get 100. So 100 is for 100 is for this one. Okay, from here to here it's 100, which we have here 100 degrees. So since we have got 100, and we know that from here to here it's 180, so we can say 180 plus 100, it will still give us a 280 degrees, which is our solution. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. This is Sichamba Jacob. For online tuitions, as usual, you can call us on +26096975701. So if you want online tuitions, call or WhatsApp this number. Will be able to give you the full details of what you need to do. Remember, we offer mathematics, English, RE, civic education, biology, science, and additional mathematics. Bye-bye.